Assalamualaikum guys, hope all you are fine. In this video we are going to discuss the nasal septum, which is a part of the nose or the nasal cavity. The nasal septum you can see here, which is dividing the two sides, the nostrils of the nose. It is the medial connection or the boundary of the nose, and you can see here the sinuses, which are frontal sinus, ethmoid sinus, maxillary sinus, sphenoid sinus. We will study them in the detail, so watch the video to the end. This is the anterior part of the nose. So when you can see here the hairs in the nose, what are the functions of that hairs? The hairs protect any microorganism, any dust particle, any insect from entering your nose, and also these hairs also have the mucus for lubrication, for the removal of dust particles, for filtration, and also for the warming process. So you can see here these are the dust particles which are entering the nose. So these dust particles are constantly removed by sneezing action. This anterior part you can see here as a mucous membrane, and this mucous membrane is for the protection and for filtration. So you can see here in this picture the arteries of medial wall. You can see there many arteries which are linked to the nasal septum, and their bones that are related, that is arteries related, are posterior ethmoid artery, which is on the back side, yani posterior side, and anterior ethmoid, which is on the anterior side of ethmoid bone, superior labial artery, and great palatine. You can see here in the palatine section, that is great palatine artery. These are the arteries of medial wall. Innervation of nasal septum. How the nerves that which are the nerves that innervate the nasal septum is that the nasopalatine nerve, that is anterior ethmoidal nerve, and that is internal nasal branch of infraorbital nerve. Skeleton of nasal septum. The nasal septum is made up of the anterior and posterior part. The anterior part has a septal cartilage and the vomer bones, and the posterior part you can see here as a ethmoid bone, palatine bone, maxilla bone. And these two other structures present in the anterior side are alar cartilage and vomerine cartilage. So three things that are made forming the structure of anterior part of the nose, anterior you can say near nostrils, that are septal cartilage, alar cartilage, and vomerine cartilage. And you can see here the posterior side is made up of bones, that are ethmoid bone, vomerine bone, palatine bone, and the maxilla bone. The lateral wall, it means that the sides of the nose, that are conchae. Conchae means the superior conchae, which is above, middle conchae, which is in the mid, and which is below is inferior conchae. And you can see here the lateral wall of nasal cavity also has meatus. These are superior meatus, middle meatus, and inferior meatus. The olfactory epithelium. Olfactory epithelium help in the sensation of the smell. Anything, any food we are smelling, which is you can see sweet or bitter, or anything its smell is sweety or not, so then we are using that olfactory nerves, and that is olfactory epithelium. Sinuses, I have already told you the four sinuses, and these are also called paranasal sinuses. These are frontal sinus, ethmoid sinus, maxillary sinus. You can see here their positions in the picture, that is sphenoid sinus. And these four sinuses called as paranasal sinuses, they help in the speech when we talk. They help in our speech. Also they help in lighten the skull. It means they they lighter the weight of the skull, and also they help in the drainage of the tears when we are crying or weeping, like that. And the nerves to the lateral wall are maxillary nerve and anterior ethmoidal nerve. Maxillary from the maxilla portion, and then ethmoidal from coming from the ethmoid part. And other two are which are to the external side, that are internal nasal branch and the greater or lesser palatine nerves. You can see here they are coming from the palatine portion. The skeleton of the lateral wall of nasal cavity, you can see here is lateral nasal cartilage, lateral alar cartilage, vertical process of palatine bones, maxilla, conchae, ethmoid, and nasal bone. So I hope you have cleared your concept about the anatomy of the nose. Subscribe the channel for more videos.